Hi, everybody. Thank you, Angie. Okay, so as usual, let's start from Zendoo, where during the last week we have conducted a lot of the integration activities between mainchain and sidechain. And among the several things, we created an updated branch where the final code reviews can take place. We have already done a large part of the code reviews, not just on Zendoo, but also on the Rust part. And last week, in fact, we were able to review, approve and merge a total of 10 different pull requests. In parallel of that, we are continuing to work on the audit results. As you know, currently we have two audits, one for the Zendoo part and the other one for GingerLib. And now we can announce that all the audit activities except GingerLib are finished. A total of 5 different things were highlighted in the overall, auditing, and we are actively working on them to address them. And currently we are taking care of the last 2. And moreover, we are also progressing with the infrastructure related activities in order to create the parallel testnet where all the code will be deployed. But this is probably going to be covered later, maybe by Chronic. Okay, now let's switch to the proving system, where also the proving system code is being audited by another third-party company. And we are currently addressing the feedback provided. For about 80% of the things that were highlighted, we already have a solution ready for review, so already developed and just ready for them to look at it and assure that everything has been fixed. And the rest is getting worked during these days. As mentioned before, during last week, we also reviewed the changes on the Rust side, and in particular in the serialization interfaces changes. Then for what regard the next delivery, which mainly interests in the SDK, the circuits, and the proving system, for what regard the proving part, this week we're going to carry out 2 different workshops. On one side, we're going to have multiple sessions about the proving system next tasks, and here I mean the Darlin part, Darlin proving part. And on the other side, we are planning a workshop to detail and organize the SDK and circuits next activities, and in particular about the interaction between the SDK, so how the SDK has to be changed, and for interact with the circuits and feed the circuits with all the witnesses that are necessary to generate the proofs and make it in a way that can be extendable. So this is, a very challenging part, also in terms of design, because there are a lot of interaction. There will be a lot of interaction between these 2 components, and so these workshops are key to structure it in a way that it will be easy to be customized. Okay, last but not least, our proving system white paper is finally out. Its title is Darlin, a proof carrying data scheme based on Marlin, and is available to everybody. So we will post the link in the chat, so if you're interested into it, please feel free to check it out and let us know what you think about the proving system. And all for today. Back to you, Angie.